Ever wonder what makes a Tesla so different? It's not just that they're electric. Tesla is fundamentally a tech company, and they're completely reinventing how cars are built from the ground up. Today, we're taking you inside Tesla's fascinating manufacturing process. Step by step. Have you ever wondered what makes a Tesla a Tesla? It's not just about being electric. The magic really begins with design and engineering. Everything, and I mean everything, starts on a computer. Tesla's engineers are like digital sculptors, using advanced simulations to craft those super sleek, aerodynamic bodies that just slice through the air. Think about it. Every single component, from the door handle to the battery cell, is meticulously optimized. Ever wondered how Tesla builds so many cars so quickly? The secret lies in their massive factories, aptly named Gigafactories. These aren't just regular car plants. They're futuristic hubs of innovation. These factories use robots and automation to produce parts faster and more accurately than traditional car companies. Have you ever wondered what really powers a Tesla? It's not just electricity. It's the incredible battery technology packed inside. Tesla designs and builds its own lithium-ion battery packs, which are the heart and soul of every car they make. Think of them as massive, super-smart power banks on wheels. But what makes them so special? It's all about the three magic words: safety, durability, and range. Each battery goes through insane testing to make sure it's as safe as possible. They're also built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. And the best part? The range. This is where Tesla truly shines, allowing you to drive further on a single charge than many of its competitors. It's this battery innovation that really sets Tesla apart from the pack. One of Tesla's biggest advantages. Ever wonder how a Tesla gets its sleek, strong body? It's like watching a sci-fi movie come to life. Giant robots and massive machines are the stars of the show, expertly welding aluminum and steel frames together with incredible precision. But here's where Tesla really changes the game. It's called Giga casting. Instead of assembling tons of small parts, they use enormous presses to create large sections of the car's body in a single piece. Think of it like making a giant metal sculpture. This isn't just for show. It makes the car lighter, stronger, and simpler to produce. It's a revolutionary approach that's reshaping how cars are built from the ground up, reducing weight and increasing strength. Ever wondered why a Tesla feels more like a smartphone on wheels than just a regular car? It's all about the software. Forget everything you know about traditional car maintenance. In a Tesla, the experience is defined by its advanced software, the massive central touchscreen, and of course the groundbreaking Autopilot system. But here's the real game changer: over-the-air updates. While other cars might need a trip to the dealership for a software fix, your Tesla gets better while it's parked in your driveway. New features, performance boosts, and even fun little Easter eggs are downloaded and installed wirelessly, just like updating an app on your phone. This means the car you buy today isn't the same car you'll, be driving a year from now. It's constantly evolving. It's a completely different way of thinking about car ownership and autopilot systems. Unlike traditional cars, Tesla vehicles receive over-the-air updates, just like smartphones. Ever wondered what a Tesla goes through before it reaches your driveway? It's not just about building a cool electric car. It's about perfecting it. Every single Tesla undergoes an intense series of tests to make sure it's absolutely ready for the road. We're talking rigorous safety checks to protect you and your family, and performance tests that push the car to its limits, ensuring you get that thrilling acceleration Tesla is famous for. They also obsess over battery efficiency, making sure you can go the distance on a single charge. And it doesn't stop there. Each car's driving stability is meticulously fine-tuned for a smooth, confident ride in any condition. So the next time you see a Tesla, you know it's not just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering that has passed every test with flying colors. And driving stability before being shipped to customers. Alright, the moment of truth. After countless hours of design, engineering, and meticulous assembly, the Tesla is finally complete. But the journey isn't over yet. Now it's test time for the final and most exciting step, getting these revolutionary vehicles into the hands of their new owners. Once each car passes its final quality inspection, it's ready to leave the factory. They're carefully loaded onto trucks, trains, and ships, embarking on a global adventure to reach every corner of the world. From bustling city centers to quiet suburban streets, these Teslas are on their way to you. The delivery day experience is something special. It's more than just getting a new car. It's the moment you plug into a new way of driving and join a worldwide movement. This is where your electric future begins, so ready to drive into the electric future. Have you ever wondered what the future of driving looks like? Well, it's already being built, and Tesla is leading the charge. Tesla is combining these incredible technologies with clean energy and relentless innovation to build something truly revolutionary. Every car that rolls off their line is a testament to this new era of manufacturing. This is a glimpse into the future of driving for all of us. A future that's smarter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever before. And that wraps up our deep dive into Tesla's latest innovations. What an incredible journey into the future of driving. It's truly amazing to see how quickly technology is evolving, and we're so excited to be sharing it all with you. If you're as passionate about electric cars and future tech as we are, to make sure you don't miss a thing, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And definitely subscribe to the Future Tech Vision channel. We want to hear from you too. What Tesla topic are you dying to see us cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. We read every single one, and your suggestions could inspire our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.